Hello and welcome to the introduction video for BeatPrompter. BeatPrompter is an app currently available for Android, though with Apple and Microsoft versions coming soon. It's a music prompter app displaying song lyrics and chords, and optionally playing backing tracks if you're a musician or a singer and you perform live, either at gigs or open mic nights. Maybe you already use something similar, but BeatPrompter places a greater emphasis on timing and visibility than other apps. In this video, I'll try to demonstrate exactly what that means. Now, BeatPrompter reads song files that are written in the popular Chord Pro format. These are simple text files that are easy to find online, or even to create yourself. The app downloads your song files from Google Drive or Dropbox cloud storage, so to use BeatPrompter you'll need to store your song files in one of these places, although offline storage is coming soon as well. This next screen is what a standard Chord Pro song file looks like. I'm editing this in the Google Drive document editor, but you can use Dropbox if you like. Now, so that I don't get sued by any major recording artist, this is one of my own songs. You can see the title is Erica, the subtitle, which is usually the artist name, that's myself, and the rest of the song is the song lyrics and the chords, and so the chords are placed inside square brackets at the appropriate places. It's quite straightforward. Now, BeatPrompter can use this song as it stands, but let's make it more interesting by putting some additional information into the file. First of all, I've got a backing track for this song. It's stored in the same Google Drive location as the song file. It's an MP3 file, and it contains a simple beat and some synths, so I'd really like to use that to play guitar and sing along with. So what I can do is I can insert the name of the audio file into the song file, like this. This isn't a feature specific to BeatPrompter. Other similar apps can play the backing tracks. However, I'm now going to insert my first BeatPrompter specific tag here. I happen to know that the backing track, the tempo is 82 beats per minute, so I can type in BPM 82. It's also got 4 beats per bar, the standard song time, and each line of this song file covers 1 bar. Now, that last piece of information isn't strictly true. Most of the lines in this song cover 1 bar, but some of them don't. In particular, this instrumental section at the start here, I happen to know that each line of that spans multiple bars. And I can specify exactly how many bars each of those lines covers using the B tag, B for bar. The first of those instrumental lines covers 6 bars, the second covers 4 bars. I can also, a simple shorthand way of doing it is to put the number of commas at the start of the line as how many bars it covers. There are various other pieces of information that you can encode into the song file, including what beat you want the display to scroll to the next line on, or you can change tempo mid-song. For a full description of all the available timing features, take a look at the BeatPrompter manual available on the website. Anyway, once we've finished putting all the timing information into this file, we can see how it looks and sounds in the BeatPrompter app. First thing I need to do is tell BeatPrompter to refetch the song from the cloud storage, the modified song. So a long press on the song will bring up the menu, allowing me to do that. I can force the refresh of that song, and now we can see that it's got a little drum next to it, which indicates that it contains beat timings, and the musical icon indicates that it contains a backing track. So now I can play the song in BeatPrompter. And you'll see that at the top of the screen there's a little beat indicator telling you what beat you're on, and the little marker indicates where it's going to scroll to the next line. The background also pulses gently in time with the beat. You can switch that off if you don't like it. The main point of BeatPrompter is that because we've told it exactly how long each line lasts, we've put on all the timing information, it's now free to display the song as in large a font as possible, because it will never scroll too fast, it'll never scroll too slowly. One of the coolest features is, if you're using a backing track and you're practicing the song, you can scroll back to or forward to a particular point you want to practice, and the backing track will come in at exactly the right point. BeatPrompter can also display songs using the standard smooth scrolling format that you're perhaps used to from other apps. This is useful for songs that don't have a strictly defined rhythm. That's pretty much it for the demonstration. For a description of the full feature set of the app, take a look at the documentation. You can find a link to it on the website www.beatprompter.co.uk. Thanks for watching.